Hi teachers, it's Kat from catteacher.com, and I just wanted to show you guys today my new Easter fun for Manycam. I just wanted to show you guys all the cool things that I made. Basically, I've made a border that you can put on you while you're teaching, and I also created a reward, so if any of you guys like to use extra reward systems, this is the post for you today. So basically, if you'd like to download Manycam for the very first time, I appreciate when you guys use my links because I work really hard making lots of fun digital objects, and every click totally helps. So I appreciate when you guys use my affiliate links, but you of course have no pressure to buy whatsoever. If this is your first time, you can always download Manycam for the very first time, and then you can find some quick tutorials here. So on to the Easter fun for Manycam. You can see the Easter fun is here, and you can see that you can actually download all the MCV files immediately with one click. So what you're going to get is the border, the overlay, and then this is what the game will look like once you download all of these objects as well. So I'll show you how to do that. You can click it, it will show up in your download files here. It's finished, so I'm going to open up the zip file. I'm going to select all of these items here, click right, and hit open. That's all you'll need to do. That will automatically open up all the MCV files into Manycam, and we'll kind of go and find them basically. Now, I don't have my camera on today, but I have two screens set up for this. So you're going to need to create two presets for this. This will be my main camera normally, and I will go and find my new border. So I labeled it Easter border, egg hunt, something or other. So here, we'll put this up here, and you can see I've got the Easter eggs, Happy Easter, and the little bunny, and normally behind me this will all be transparent and will sit on top of you. Now if you want to get the overlay, we're going to transition to another preset so that you can set this game up and have it in the background. So basically, let's go find all of our items. So we've got unordered here. We've got the Easter hunt overlay. So you just kind of have to find where it's going in your different files. So we've got the Easter hunt overlay. Now this is special because unlike the border that will sit on top of you, an overlay will sit on top of everything. So it will cover any video or anything. So if you do want to put it on your one preset, you're welcome to. I like to go ahead and set up a second one. So we've got all these cute little Easter eggs, and now we need to go find our objects. So now let's see. Oh, yep, that's exactly where those little guys went. Now if you want to put them all in one place, you are welcome to basically make a brand new folder. So you can see the effects here. All these are different folders, and you're welcome to grab a new folder, maybe call it Easter Fun, and we can create a new folder, which is kind of fun because from here we can add, check this, move effects here, and we're going to go find some other things. So I'm going to add my border and move it. I'm going to add, let's see, objects, and I'm going to click all these little Easter guys, and I'm going to move those too. And now I'm missing one thing, so I'm going to add one more, and I'm going to go find him, I think in unordered. Yeah, there he is. And I'm going to click this guy, and I'm going to move him over as well. So now we have everything in one folder over here. So this is the fun part. Basically, while you're talking with the student, sort of in the background, if you want to, you can hit presets and you can go to preset 2 and you can sort of play with this in the background. So now we can play with this and we can add these little objects. And I've tried to size them just perfectly so that you guys can simply put them all over each of the Easter eggs, but you can mix them up and you can change them up any which way you want because they look cute. And then we've got our little chick, and now we're ready to transition over and say, you know, what can you see? What animals can you see? You know, what color is the chick? Things like that. And as you find them, yay, we get an Easter egg. So you can kind of click them on and off after you hide them, and then the kids can each find all 5 of the beautiful Easter eggs. So happy Easter, everybody. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day. If you have any more questions, feel free to join my Facebook group. Basically, it's a Manycam FAQ, and I host it, and I try to help you guys out with any questions that you might have. So happy Easter again, and have a wonderful day.